You know what, this park is normally like full of people, full of kids. I'm like literally now it's like after school. Normally it's packed with children, and today look empty. There's a few kids, like a couple kids around, that's it. Do you know why it's like this? Because I'm walking in the park, like it's summertime, 35 degrees, and people are freaking feeling hot, like they can't walk in the sun. And I live in London area, so like even more hot, all right? And the reason is like that is because, like, look at me, I have like literally I'm walking like this. I've been walking for a while, no water in my bag. I've been recording videos ongoing, not drinking, nothing, because I don't eat 3 meals a day, all right? The reason why I don't struggle in the sun right now, 35 degrees plus, and I'm fine, like walking around, running or moving, I'd be all right if I was doing this without the water even, is because I don't eat during the day. I don't do that. I don't do like 3 meals a day. I don't do this. Intermittent fasting is my life. I snack at the end of the day with my daughter mainly, but this is my life now. And it could be your life too, it could be anybody's life, because right now the biggest lie we've been told is that we need to eat 3 meals a day still in 2026 when I'm making this video. Do you really think this is true? Like, think about it. Like, everybody's having like struggling, sweating. Most people are overweight these days. They really like they can't like be okay in the sun when the sun literally should be a source of nourishment. And the reason is, my friend, instead of eating more of the same way throughout your life, you actually need to reduce. And that's what people don't tell you. Doctors, nobody will tell you that you're meant to reduce slowly, eventually, step by step, as you grow older, the amount of food that you eat. For you to grow into your health and energy, to have more health and energy, you actually need to do that. Otherwise, you will lose it. You will lose health. You will lose energy. Most people die from eating too much. Nobody tells you this, but all the diseases, all the stuff that are consequences of the reason why we eat so much, emotional, like traumas, tension, lack of wellness. But if you were not eating so much, you would have so much more time to actually practice the wellness, which is the key to be nourished and have more energy, by the way. It's not like eating so much. I know people think I'm skinny, but look at me now. I am skinny when I go through the phase of like reducing the amount I eat and like increasing my, fasting window, but I still like eat. I'm fine, I'm not gonna die or anything. I'm literally like showing you how it's possible to have energy, grounding capacity, to like be that type of like superhuman you are meant to be. And that means you need to drop eating 3 meals a day, all right? And then you'll be fine in the sun, in the cold, in any weather, all right? But of course, you don't just drop the food like this. You start by putting in more energy into your life. And that means more like physical work, qigong, tai chi, yoga, all these things. And also like mindfulness, meditation, things that are actually nourishing and that naturally will replace all the food that you're eating as a reason to feel a gap, a void inside that you haven't filled through anything else that is holistic. That is actually the only way to get there. By forcing yourself to not eat or eat less, you will just starve yourself, and it's not going to work. You're going to go weak, lose too much weight, not be in your healthy state. But if you go slowly, by nourishing yourself first, doing some energy work, ongoing every single day, replacing your food and your breakfast by this, eventually you will realize you're not so hungry anymore. You can be in the sun and running around and playing around, have a super great brain and memory without having to eat all this food for whatever reason we believe we needed to eat food. We're not in the Middle Ages anymore, all right, guys? We click a button, the light comes up, the water comes up, we go in a car, we drive, and have to move so much. If you don't want to like go to the gym every single day to burn out the calories you've put on because of all the food you eat, then you just need to reduce the food and have more energy. And when you have more energy, you won't need the gym so much, you won't need to exercise so much. You'll just need to do some energy work every day, which will replace your meal times anyway, so you won't actually waste time. Catch up in the next video. If you want to try my 7-day challenge where I go deeper, link into this video right now.